With the cold air in place, freezing drizzle might last a little bit longer, and I'll explain why here in a second. The wind is out of the north, and then the moisture is coming at us from the south, and we're going to have a warm front. Now right here, this is the main portion of this. Warm air is going to come up and stay at the surface right down here. Here's the mixed precipitation. What happens is this warm air kind of gets bumped up a little bit, cold air slides underneath of it, so precipitation falls as rain and then freezes as soon as it gets close to the surface of the earth. It doesn't have time to form crystals and turn into snowflakes. So freezing rain, a possibility just on the other side or around this warm front, and then snow where it's already cold enough and this warm front isn't near it. Warm air close enough over here for rain, freezing drizzle, snowfall. That continues, spotty in some spots. I don't think it'll be an all-day event, but definitely going to be an issue. It does not take a lot of ice to create really hazardous driving conditions, and we're already starting to see some closings and delays. You can find all of those on our website under the weather tab. You'll see closings and delays underneath of that starting to populate right there. But snow to the north, that's where the potential is for maybe an inch or two of snow, and then maybe 1/10 of an inch of ice, and then maybe 1/4 of an inch of rain. Boy, this warm front moves just a little bit one way or the other and things dramatically change. So that'll keep me up tonight. Snowfall goes off to the north and east, and by I think Thursday night everything's done. So the best chance for accumulating snow well to the north, maybe an inch, I think less than that for about the southern half of the state, and then just a trace the closer you get to the Kansas border. But an inch I think would be a lot. The better chance is going to be for rain and freezing drizzle for much of southeastern Nebraska. Speaking of, this is that potential. The pink swaths here would be the potential for freezing rain and freezing drizzle and ice accumulation, 1/10 of an inch, maybe even a little bit more in some spots. And then rainfall, not a whole lot, but 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, and really that won't take much cold air, warm air shifting one way or the other to give us, well, it's just going to be a mess. Just to sum it all up, the winter weather advisory through midnight Friday, which is late Thursday night, and then through 6 p.m. on Thursday, areas south, and freezing drizzle, freezing rain, 1 or 2 inches of snow to the north, and mainly just freezing drizzle and rain for the south. So driving is going to be difficult, especially as we head through the day tomorrow. Be careful out there.